Yeah, when the old smoking that hey, bitch don't call on my phone, hey, backseat pull it with the bros, hey, neck rest all of it frozen. Straight.
Jawline. Just think of the jawline.
So all the jewelries I'm wearing today are from the brand Luisa, and this is actually my second time working with them, and I've had such a good experience so far. They're actually holding a buy one get one 50% off deal right now, so make sure to check that out. And I just appreciate the fact that they're the first direct-to-consumer jewelry brand to become carbon neutral, as they try to reduce their carbon footprint to 0. Their quality remains exceptional, as they are a long-lasting piece crafted with care. Other than that, their prices are very affordable, starting at $39. So I'm wearing the Celeste earrings right now, and when I saw them on the website, I instantly knew that I wanted them. They're just so cute. It's a star and a moon, and here I'm wearing the Rosa necklace. Once again, a little moon and a star in the middle. I think this combination is just perfect. I know these are very minimal details, but I find that their jewelries are very user-friendly, especially the clips. I always have a really hard time wearing necklaces on, like, myself, but these clips, I love them. Like, these are my favorite ones, and it's just so easy to clip, and they're very adjustable, as there are 3 different, like, levels.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up? Went to Oakland, 2018. Shout out to everybody who's been involved with this project. It really means a lot. Let's get it.
Everybody fucked up. Everybody fucked up. Solo dolo rolling. So low like a red cup. I broke my meds up. He broke down. He so down. He messed up. She so down in my head. She gon' lay down in my bed. Yeah. I never stepped out of line. We would kick it all the time. Late night.
For this look, I'm wearing the Rosa necklace layered with the Suria's necklace, which is a little butterfly. You guys must know how trendy it has been lately, but this one is the first design that I've stumbled upon where the butterfly is very small and minimal, and it doesn't like overwhelm the entire look.
I hit your line, working for your overtime. You looking down, or you fine, or you mind, or you mind, do you mind? I realized that I think too much about you and don't think about me good. Started focusing on me and what I needed to me good. Untied laces while several paces fell up right.
Here I'm exchanging the Celeste earrings with the Joanne earrings, which are these classic pearl earrings with a connected chain to add a little twist, and I absolutely love this design. I just love the whole like idea, plus you're sure to never lose the back of the earring.
How you found us? Oh, you wear too much makeup. You beautiful without it. Just like that fucking outfit, but you know nothing about it. Oh, you know pledge allegiance. T-shirts and mixers, mix that Henny with that doo-doo creeping. I prefer hipsters, thrift shops, open mics, and weed to liquor. And lit events, but guess what? I don't need that mixture. No, I don't drown, I float on when it opens. So gone. And so far everything been good, but I miss all my old dogs. We did it first in Philly, back when I did write my first song. Though that was top floor closet filled with drugs and keys and records. I'm reminiscing, so let's throw back to fucking high school. I don't know no one like you. Open mic, please do slide through. Closed eyes, throw up your lighters. Closed eyes, I seen arenas. All these people I find you. I pass out all on SoundCloud. Huff gang on fucking iTunes. First take mixed waiting on you. Why you take so long? Put all my feelings in the poem, spoke it out, it's done. You pay admission, wait a minute, maybe blaze a blunt. Nervous as fuck, I took the mic and hit the stage and jump. Please do slide through. Closed eyes, throw up your lighters. Closed eyes, I seen arenas. All these people I find you. I pass out all on SoundCloud. Huff gang on fucking iTunes. First take mixed waiting on you. Why you take so long? Put all my feelings in the poem, spoke it out, it's done. You pay admission, wait a minute, maybe blaze a blunt. Nervous as fuck, I took the mic and hit the stage and jumped.